Hey everyone, Luke here with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a video that was a subscriber request. A subscriber messaged me asking me what kind of perks or discounts do you get when you are doing a large volume in phone flipping. So today I'm going to actually go over an invoice that I sent actually today. I'm going to be shipping these phones out tonight. There's over 20 phones on this invoice, and I'm going to show you some of the perks you can get when you start doing bigger and more volume in phone flipping. Let's go. Hey everybody, Luke here. So you'll see on the screen here, I'm just going to go over my invoice real quick. This is kind of going to be a short video, but basically a subscriber reached out and said that they have been dealing with direct buyers and were just wondering that if they keep scaling their business, what awaits them or what kind of rewards or perks will they get if they start shipping more phones. So one of the biggest rewards you're going to get if you start shipping more phones is you are going to get better prices. The other thing that you're going to get is you're actually going to get free shipping from your direct buyer, at least if you sell to my direct buyers, and you're also going to basically get a price match guarantee, and you're going to get a beat match guarantee. A beat match guarantee is basically you throw your direct buyer an invoice, let them know that it needs to be beat, and they'll often throw you a snowball number like plus 50 or plus 100 or plus 200 at the end of the invoice. Also, if you sell to my direct buyers, which if you have my direct buying list, you're selling to my direct buyers, I also get 1.5% back on every PayPal invoice that I send, because I do not like doing wire transfers anymore because my bank account got closed a while ago for doing that. I live in a smaller town, so when banks around here see $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 going in and out with wire transfers multiple times a month, your account gets shut down really fast. This is the Midwest. This is small town. There's mostly farmers, people doing brick and mortar businesses. A lot of the banks around here haven't seen online money like this, and so they freak out. So I stopped doing wire transfers quite a while ago. PayPal for me is safe, it's easy as far as taxes at the end of the year, and I don't really have to worry about my accounts getting banned or shut down. So like I said, biggest perks is one, you will get higher prices once you start to do more volume in phone flipping. On average, I get $30 over the price list that I'm actually selling to. So the direct buyer's price list, I'm actually getting 30 over on the price list than anybody else that sells to them, unless they're also doing large volume like I am, if they're shipping out more than 20 phones at a time. The second biggest thing is free shipping. So when you're shipping a package out, you'll see this invoice down here. This invoice is $17,795. So naturally, when you ship out an invoice this big or a package this big, you should be shipping with registered mail, and you should be insuring the package. That is very important. You don't want to take the chance of losing a package like this. Obviously, very high value. On top of that, they beat anybody else that tried to basically take this invoice or buy these phones. They matched everybody's prices that I got. I work with a couple different people just to see who can give me the best offer, and then they threw $100 on top of that too, which is pretty awesome. And then the biggest perk, in my opinion, is they give me a 1.5% credit back on PayPal. So PayPal charges a 2.9% or basically a 3% fee. Well, when you're sending out invoices for $18,000, that's around $550 in fees. So what they do is they allow me to add an extra 1.5% into the invoice, or the total amount of the invoice, to split the PayPal fee with me. So that's a huge perk, and it adds up to a lot of money at the end of the year. So for those of you guys out there that are kind of just starting out in phone flipping, or you're just starting to sell to direct buyers, I hope this video kind of motivates you and gives you some value on what's to come. So if you're feeling down, or you're feeling like, you know, there isn't any point in scaling your business, trust me, there is. There's a lot of rewards. There's a lot of good perks that you can get from scaling your phone flipping business. Once you guys start shipping out more and more phones, these perks will be offered to you depending on who you sell to. Now, I know a lot of the middleman direct buyers out there don't offer things like this, but when you deal with people that I have on my direct buying list, you will get perks just like these. So it's pretty awesome. If you're friends with me on Facebook, as soon as this invoice gets paid tonight, I'll post the screenshot so you can see it right from my phone. It will get paid. It's a legit invoice. I've got over 20 phones. You can see all the phones sitting behind me right there. Got a bunch of sealed ones, bunch of open box ones, all kinds of good stuff that's going to be going out tonight. But that being said, I hope this kind of answers your questions, and for anybody else out there who had this question, for the subscriber out there, hope this answers everything that you kind of wanted to know on scaling your business and kind of just what is to come, you know, what kind of rewards are there out there, what perks are out there. These are the ones that I have basically gotten to, and you know, some of this did take a little bit of negotiating, so don't be afraid to negotiate with your direct buyers. That's one thing that you have to do. Obviously, treat them with respect. It's kind of a privilege to be able to sell to people just because you're both doing business. I mean, treat them like a business, respect them, but don't be afraid to negotiate either. Not all of, you know, what I've accomplished has been just, oh yeah, you're going to give me these perks. Sometimes it's negotiated, you know? It is what it is, and you sometimes have to fight for what you want, in a sense. Obviously, like I said, keep everything civil and respectful, but it's fair to ask somebody, you know, hey, I'm shipping you 30 phones. Can you add a little more extra on as a bulk bonus, etc.? So just make sure you guys are doing that. Make sure you're checking out all avenues. I hope this video helps you. I hope it helps you make extra money if you are doing a good amount of phones or a volume in phones. And if you are out there and you're doing over 50 phones a month and you're still selling to like people like Supreme or Atlas and all that, and they're great guys and everything, don't get me wrong, but they're more middleman people. If you want to sell to direct people, feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. I have an awesome direct buyers list, and I can hook you up with all kinds of good people, and these people are not overseas. You'll notice the prices right here on this invoice on the screen are actually about the same as what you would get in Hong Kong, except for I'm not committing customs fraud by lying about what the package value is, and I'm also not taking the risk of sending them overseas and having that package get seized or insurance happen, and then the package is undervalued and I don't get any money. So not taking any risk in shipping overseas, shipping right here in the USA, minimal risk, getting awesome payouts, and just scaling my business. So like I said, this year I'm trying to work towards 7 figures, and I think I'm going to accomplish that with how everything's been going this year. So that being said, hope this video motivates all of you. Hope it answers some questions when it comes to direct buyers and, you know, having more direct contacts and just getting more value out of your invoices. So that being said, make sure you guys smash that like button, hit subscribe. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. I'm going to be doing a $200 cash giveaway at 2,000 subscribers, so make sure you're subscribed. It's free money. Who doesn't love free money? So make sure you guys are subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.